In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 highest paying jobs till 2022. So let's get started. Number 10. Airline Pilot. An airline pilot is responsible for the safe and economic operation and management of the aircraft carrying passenger or freight. They make sure that the controls of the aircraft are working properly. Pilots are responsible for pre-flight preparation, such as calculating fuel required, considering the meteorological information, and passenger and cargo loads. During the flight, they navigates the aircraft, communicates with the air traffic control, listens to the weather report, monitors engines and systems, check fuel consumption, and advises passenger on the progress of their flight. The average income of airline pilot is $161,280 per year. Number 9. CEO. A Chief Executive Officer (CEO) is the highest ranking executive in a company. A CEO is primarily responsible, including making major corporate decisions, managing the overall operations and resources of a company, acting as a main point of communication between the board of directors and corporate operations. In the large corporations, CEO typically deals only with a very high-level strategic decisions and those that direct the company's overall growth. In smaller companies, CEO often are more hands-on and involved with the day-to-day functions. The average income of a CEO is $200,140 per year. Number 8. General Practitioner. A general practitioner, also called a family doctor, often develop an ongoing relationship with the patient, providing continuity of care. They treat common medical conditions and perform routine exams, and also refer their patient to other medical service or doctors if a patient needs an urgent or specialized treatment. A general practitioner focuses on overall health, such as physical and mental health. They serve an important role in a much wider healthcare system, which includes immunizations, routine exams, mental health checks, long-term or chronic illness care, and follow-up care. The average income of general practitioner is $208,560 per year. Number 7. Psychiatrist. A psychiatrist is a medical doctor who specializes in mental health, including disorders. They are qualified to assess both mental and physical aspects of psychological problems. People seek psychiatrist help for many reasons. The problem can be sudden, such as panic attack, frightening thoughts of suicide, or hearing voices. There may be more long-term problems, such as feelings of sadness, hopelessness, anxiousness, or problem functioning that cause everyday life to feel distorted or out of control. The average salary of psychiatrist is $216,090 per year. Number 6. Orthodontist. Orthodontists are dental specialists who are trained in the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of dental and facial irregularities. They provide a wide range of treatment options to straighten crooked teeth, fix bad bites, and align the jaws correctly. Orthodontists are primarily known for straightening teeth. They can also assist with painful and misaligned bites, tooth movement caused by bad habits such as thumb sucking, and even some forms of sleep apnea. The average salary of orthodontist is $228,500 per year. Number 5. Gynecologist. A gynecologist is a doctor who specializes in female reproductive health. They diagnose and treat issues related to the female reproductive tract. This includes the uterus, fallopian tubes, ovaries, and breasts. Gynecologists give reproductive health service that include pelvic exam, pap tests, cancer screening, and testing and treatment for vaginal infections. According to reports, the average income of gynecologist is $235,240 per year. Number 4. Surgeon. A surgeon is a doctor who specializes in evaluating and treating conditions that may require surgery or physical changing of the human body. Surgeries can be done to diagnose or treat diseases or injuries. In operation room, surgeon is responsible to lead a team of other doctors and nurses to make sure that a procedure goes smoothly. Surgeons can perform uncomplicated procedures that last just a few minutes or complicated surgeries that can take several hours. During the surgery, the human life can be at risk, so the surgeons must be alert and prepared for all type of emergency situations and be able to carry out life-saving initiatives at any time during an operation. The average salary of surgeon is $251,000 per year. Number 3. Anesthesiologists. The anesthesiologists are the specialized physicians who play a very critical role before, during, and after the surgery to ensure that anesthetic care is as safe and effective. Before the start of surgery, they are responsible to maintain the unconsciousness throughout the operation to make the patient unaware of the procedure and not able to experience any kind of a pain. During the surgery, they are responsible to check the heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, and the body temperature to be maintained to the normal level. After the surgery, the anesthesiologist continues to be responsible for the patient overall care. They will reverse the effect of anesthesia and continue to evaluate the patient and keep them comfortable as they recover. The average income of anesthesiologist is $265,000 per year. Number 2. Cardiologist. A cardiologist is a doctor with specialized training in diagnosing, treating, and preventing the diseases related to the heart and blood vessels. These diseases are heart attack, heart failure, high blood pressure, heart valve problems, and infection of the heart. In order to investigate one or more diseases, the cardiologist perform physical examination like blood tests, electrocardiogram, exercise stress test, or imaging studies of the heart. The average salary of cardiologist is $351,827 per year. Number 1. Neurosurgeon. Neurosurgeons are considered to be the highest paying career in the world. Neurosurgeons are the medical doctors that diagnose and treat conditions related to the brain, spine, and other part of the nerve system. Their responsibilities are different from neurologists as they specifically trained and certified in the use of surgical treatments. Neurosurgeons treat people with a wide range of neurological issues such as lower back pain, nervous system disorders, and brain tumors. Neurosurgeons use imaging technologies to find the source of the problem, and these include magnetic resonance imaging, known as MRI, which is used to create a detailed picture of inside of the body, positron emission tomography, known as PET scan, which is often used to search for the cancer, and computed tomography, known as CT scan, a test that shows more detailed results than a standard X-ray. The average salary of neurosurgeon is $381,500 per year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.